Story 16. A pious man happened to pass near a rich fellow who had a slave and was just chastising him after having tied his feet and hands. He said, "My son, God the Most High and Glorious, has given a creature like thyself into thy power and has bestowed upon thee superiority over him. Give thanks to the Almighty and do not indulge in so much violence towards the man, because it is not meet that in the morn of resurrection he should be better than thyself and put thee to shame." You know, just because you have the power doesn't mean you should, right? And in the Islamic vision, you don't just beat a slave or something like that to make them work harder or some stuff like that. No, Islam doesn't have that idea of slavery. Be not so much incensed against a slave. Oppress him not. Grieve not his heart. Thou hast purchased him for 10 dirhams, and hast not, after all, created him by thy power. How long is this command, pride and power to last? There is a master more exalted than thou, O thou owner of Arslan and of Agash. Do not forget him who is thy commander. There is a tradition that the Prince of the world, upon whom be the benediction of Allah and peace, has said, "I will occasion the greatest sorrow on the day of resurrection when a pious worshipper is conveyed to paradise and a Lord of profligacy to hell." Is this a saying of Ali ibn Talib or some other Amir al-Mu'mineen? Upon the slave subject to thy service, vent not boundless anger, but treat him gently, because on the day of reckoning it will be a shame to see the slave free and his owner in chains.